Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm just covering up spell price prediction. Yes guys, spell millionaire going crazy right now. Yes, after a long patience and holding, finally we're getting green signal. This green signal make a lot of people crazy. We are ready to explode it, and we are reaching approx to the 300, eventually 250. I'm just looking right now in a spell. All right, so let's dive into the screen. First of all, what exactly am I talking about it and what really happened next in a spell? Look at this spell in a monthly time frame. Finally guys, look at this beautiful candle. It just turned it green after a huge, red candle is already formed in the past. Look at over here, almost a 7 red candle. Finally guys, giving green signal over here, and this rally, it just began right now. Look at this one. It's giving a massive gigantic pump in a 4 hourly time frame. A lot of people think, yes Travis, this is again the same flash up then flash down. No, I'm not thinking like that. This one is a fake out, because if you look at the older history of the spell, it consolidates so long in this price point, approx to the 94, eventually 90, and again it consolidates at the same level, approx to the 90, and then it literally goes higher and breaking the approx to the 130. It should need to be break 130. So if somehow if it break it, then this thing is going to the skyrocket. Look at the massive flash up candle in this area. You clearly see this one is the first one, this one is the second one, this one is the third and fourth and the fifth and sixth and seventh, approx eighth time. It's just trying to break this area resistance, approximately 120. So 120 easily break it because it's already touched that resistance so many times. So we are going to the moon. So it's just only a 4 hourly time frame. Let's get into the smaller time frame in a 2 hourly time frame. Look at over here. It's squeezing the price down again. A lot of people saying, yeah Travis, this coin is flushed down and this coin is not going anywhere. So basically I'm just thinking it's just the rally, it just happened right now. We are going to the moon because after a long holding and waiting, something we really need this type of fluctuation. So only one more days remaining. So if it turn it green, reaching approximately 109, and the next weekly candle goes higher and reaching approx to the 300, eventually 250. Guys, this is fabulous and fantastic one. I'm just looking in a weekly time frame, and when you get into the 1 day time frame, look at the 1 day time frame. Yes, is squeeze the price down, and people just care about it like we have to close it, we have to close it. Yeah, I know that sometimes people doing a lot of mistake these days, and they just sell it, and then it's again reaching the 93. People buy it again, and they just hold it right now. So, is this the last dump we see in a spell? Yes, of course. I'm just looking right now. This one is the last drop. I'm just looking because approx so many candle is zip it not letting the price down. It's already letting the price down, but somehow it again recovered so hard and giving a gigantic pump. The same thing happened right now. Look at over here. Then a straight line and then blast off. So basically I'm just waiting for the 300. Is it possible it's reaching 300? Yes, look at over here. This is the zone approx to 317, and this is the area approx to the 290. This is a crazy resistance area. So my exit entry, which is approx to the 250 and eventually 300, but I'm exit out approx 250. So I'm just waiting for 250. When it reaches 250, then totally exit out. So first you should need to break approx to the 170, and if you succeed to break 170, then it's blast off. Unstoppable rally we see in a spell. And let me tell you one more thing. If it goes eventually more higher and reaching approx to the 1 cent, is it possible it reaching approx 1 cent? Yes. How is it possible? Because if you look at the APR, it's just giving 7%. If they're increasing the APR to the 18%, then literally this coin goes approx to the 20x, eventually 10x, eventually more than that. So everything is possible in the crypto. That's why we are over here. And this one is a 100x project. I'm just looking right now in next board one, 2025, end of December. So waiting for more days, approximately 13 days remaining. So we see a mega gigantic rally in a spell. Every single candle giving a massive support, approximately 90, 95, 100. In between, so long it fluctuates. So I'm just thinking, the rally, the bull rally is just starting up right now. It's fueling up. It's fueling up, giving a massive gigantic flash up, just trying to break the resistance. And if it succeed to break the resistance, something really, really big happen, guys. Really, really big happen. Who care all these things? Who care all these things? A lot of people are saying this Travis is going eventually more down. What about your portfolio holding a 7.5 million spell token? Yes, guys, we're still holding a 7.5 million spell token. We're not giving up. Look at my previous video. I always say that, like, I'm not giving up anyhow. Why should I sell my old token in a loss? No one telling you the truth. What really happened next? Eventually, I'm not to say that I'm giving you advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my personal opinion, what exactly I'm doing with a spell. I love DCA. I love trading. I love spot trading, not a leverage one. Leverage one is too risky these days. You just liquidate and you can't sleep properly. So I'm gonna stay away from the leverage one. So if you're a leverage trader, so go and check out the other videos, just like Crypto, like the Moon, and so many leverage trader on YouTube right now, so you can follow any of these peoples. But I'm a spot holder and a spot trader. That's what I was doing. So I'm doing a DCA and a spell. All right, guys, this is all about spell related information.